Hi, I'm Rob Little with CP Compressors here at SEMA. I want to show you our new QRS complete shop system. This machine contains a rotary screw compressor and an integrated air dryer, all mounted on a 60-gallon tank. This provides top quality air for you in your shop. What we're doing is producing the compressed air inside the screw compressor, goes through the dryer, and what the result is we get 99% of the moisture content and any contaminants out of the air. Once we collect the water that's in the compressed air, it's vented out the back through a drain tube so that everything's all taken care of for you there. The machine's extremely easy to maintain, can be done by the user. All the mechanical access points are through this front panel where we have spin-on separation, oil filter, air filter. All right here, we have an oil level sight glass, easy to use controls with an hour meter on the front. Machine carries UL electricals, so it's all certified, ASME tank. We build the machine in Brindola, Italy. It's supported by a service network across North America, second to none. So for more information, you can find us at cp.com.